Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a Panasonic TV by doing a full factory reset without the remote. First, make sure your Panasonic TV is completely powered off. Unplug the Panasonic TV from the wall outlet. Wait a few seconds and place your hands on the Panasonic TV side buttons. Look for the physical power and volume buttons on your Panasonic TV. On most Panasonic TV models, these buttons are under the panel or on the left side. With the Panasonic TV still unplugged, locate the volume down button. Keep your hand ready on the power button of the Panasonic TV. Now plug the Panasonic TV back into the outlet. Immediately press and hold the power and volume down buttons together on the Panasonic TV. Keep holding until the Panasonic TV logo appears. Continue holding until a reset menu shows up on the Panasonic TV. Release the buttons once the Panasonic TV enters the service menu. Look for the Factory Reset option on your Panasonic TV. Use the physical buttons on your Panasonic TV to navigate the list. Press volume buttons to scroll through the Panasonic TV menu. Highlight the Reset option on the Panasonic TV. Press the Power button on your Panasonic TV to select it. The Panasonic TV will now begin wiping all settings. Do not unplug the Panasonic TV during this process. The Panasonic TV may restart a few times. Keep your hands away from the Panasonic TV buttons until it finishes. Once done, the Panasonic TV will boot to the initial setup screen. If your Panasonic TV didn't enter the menu, try again. This time, hold the volume down button earlier during Panasonic TV startup. Some Panasonic TV models require holding volume up instead. Try holding volume up and power on your Panasonic TV if the first method fails. Plug the Panasonic TV in and repeat the button hold process. When the Panasonic TV logo appears, don't release too soon. Keep holding until the Panasonic TV service menu loads fully. Navigate carefully to the Reset option on your Panasonic TV. Confirm the reset using the Power button on your Panasonic TV. The Panasonic TV software will restore factory defaults. Allow the Panasonic TV to reboot automatically. After rebooting, check if the Panasonic TV is now responsive. If not, try a quick power cycle on the Panasonic TV. Unplug the Panasonic TV again for 30 seconds. Plug the Panasonic TV back in to refresh internal circuits. Check the side buttons of your Panasonic TV for proper clicking. Sometimes dust can block Panasonic TV buttons, so press each button several times. Ensure the power cable is firmly connected to the Panasonic TV. Inspect the Panasonic TV port for any looseness. If the Panasonic TV still doesn't respond, try another wall outlet. Power surges can affect Panasonic TV button functions. Once steady power is restored, restart your Panasonic TV. Repeat the reset combination on the Panasonic TV if needed. Your Panasonic TV should now enter the reset menu smoothly. Complete the factory reset one more time on the Panasonic TV. After the reset, the Panasonic TV will behave like new. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Your Panasonic TV should now be fully reset without a remote.